Okay, so this is a quick video. I am sharing my favorite green smoothie with you guys. So I'm starting off with the banana. I am going to use the whole banana because I love bananas and pineapples mixed together. So then I am going to add some chunks of pineapples. This was a pineapple that my daughter sliced and cut up for us so we can have bits and pieces of pineapples in the refrigerator. I'm adding in some hemp protein powder and also some spinach. I am going to put as much as I can in this little cup as possible just to pack it all in. And then I am going to pour a half a bottle of water, which is essential to, or the same as a cup. Okay, so putting my top on, I'm going to go ahead and blend it. I absolutely love this little blender. We got it from JCPenney. I think it was only 20 bucks. My mom bought it. I'm just going to blend it into a smoothie. Guys, this is my favorite part when everything just goes tumbling down. Okay, and so once it is nice and smooth, I am going to go ahead. I'll usually just let it sit, but I don't have time for that right now because I just like to let everything drip from the top of it. So if you want it more creamy or frozen, just use frozen fruit, you guys. All right, see you later.